How to fix YouTube keeps crashing on iPhone. Does your YouTube app crash every time you open it on iPhone? Let's fix it together. Make sure your both iOS and the YouTube app are up to date. New versions fix known bugs. If your phone still has older versions, then YouTube will keep crashing. A full iPhone can crash apps. Delete the unused apps or large files to make space. Reinstalling the app gives it a clean slate and removes any faulty app data. And that's how you stop those annoying crashes on YouTube. You can now browse freely on YouTube. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.